is the simplest explanation. Landscapes clearly have a sensitivity to disturbances that eventually might be on a continental scale.
But there's still one lingering question. For thousands of years, Australian Aboriginals have had a highly sophisticated system of managing the food they hunt and collect from the land. These sustainable practices are still in use today. So why would their ancestors have destroyed the megabeast habitats to the point of extinction?
When humans came to Australia originally, it was a new landscape, completely different to the Southeast Asia they came from. And there was a period of adjustment.
Over time, early humans